The terminal is what the battery attaches to on your cordless tool. The plastic bracket houses metal connectors that slide into the ports on the battery. The most common problem with the terminal is melted plastic caused by a shorted out battery. The plastic bracket can also be damaged if the tool is dropped. Replacing the terminal is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover. Next, the side cover. I'll remove 2 of the screws that secure the transmission to the housing. And now I can separate the housing. Now I'll remove the terminal and disconnect the wires. Now I can install the new terminal. First, the red wire, then the yellow, and the black. And now I can slide the terminal back into the housing. And now I'll reinstall the housing. And now reinstall the rear cover. And that's all it takes to install a new terminal in your cordless tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.